Thanks for joining another video. I'm Michelle Crawford, and today we're going to learn about 3 watercolor hacks that you need to know. Love to paint watercolor, but get super frustrated waiting for your layers to dry? If you're impatient like me, then this first watercolor hack is just for you. Watercolor hack number 1 is to use a heat tool to dry in between layers. That's right, you can purchase a craft heat tool like this one, or even use a hairdryer on a low setting, and all you have to do is keep your hands busy by drying your layers in between, and you'll be ready to go for the next one. Just like that, everything is completely dry. Watercolor hack number 2 also involves your heat tool. Did you know that you can actually use your heat tool to make it easier to remove your tape? Simply heat up the tape with your heat tool right before you would like to remove it, and the heat will actually soften the glue of the tape, making it much easier to remove. This is a great hack if you want to prevent ripping your paper while you're pulling off your tape, which can be a huge frustration for many artists. Just like that, the tape comes right off and no more ruined paintings. And now for watercolor hack number 3. Do you ever finish a painting and realize you made a mistake? Did you know that you can actually clean up your mistakes by using a magic eraser? I cut them into triangles or different shapes. I like to keep a lot of those handy at my workstation. But did you know that all you have to do is take your magic eraser, add a little bit of water, and you want to be very gentle when you do this, but gently scrub on an area even after it's dry to lift paint and fix your mistakes. Make sure you're using good paper when you do this, and then let it dry, and no one will ever know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel for future content. And don't forget to check out the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!